Welcome to the Marble Run Race Diorama 5-level racetrack. Today we will roll 2 6-roller qualifiers with the top 6 rolling in the featured race. After the races, we will talk about the racetrack. Check out those moguls. Next, the rollers will drop to the windy road. After that, they drop to the rock wall. And then finally through the forest to the Holy Toledo finish line. It's time to pick your roller. Angel Blue,
the Wolf, the Prince, Rock,
Seagull,
Sabertooth,
Holy Toledo. Well, it looks like Prince, Sabertooth, and Angel Blue with the first 3 pass through. Let's go down to the moguls. Here comes Prince and Sabertooth with Angel Blue right behind. They're kind of getting held up. Whoa, did you see that move? Sabertooth passes Prince. Here comes Angel Blue. The Rock pushing his way, and so did Wolf. Seagull following the pack. Here we come to the windy road. My goodness, who's in front now? Sabertooth's in front. Prince right behind. It looks like the Rock, then the Wolf, Seagull, and Angel Blue. Let's go down to the rock wall. Here comes Sabertooth, Prince right behind him. Those guys are right out front. Look at that, Prince just took the lead. Here comes the Rock, the Wolf, Seagull, and Angel Blue following everybody. Whoa, 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 looks like Sabertooth got held up there. Prince takes the lead way ahead. Sabertooth right behind. Here comes the Wolf and the Rock. Angel Blue followed by the Seagull. Let's see who qualifies for the final. Look at Prince coming screaming down there. And in there. Here comes, what do you know? It's Sabertooth. And who's going to be the next one? Looks like the Rock. Wow, look at that, folks. The Prince, Sabertooth, and the Rock have qualified for the featured race. Wolf, Angel Blue, and Seagull will have to sit out the next one. Let's get on with the next qualifier. The Beezer.
the Dream,
The Old Man.
Polar Bear, Firefighter,
Sea Turtle. Second qualifier. Here we go. Looks like Firefighter's right out front. Sea Turtle right behind him, and the Beezer's right there. Polar Bear's following close. Looks like the Beezer's out of there first. Firefighter's right there. Oh, Firefighter's held up. Polar Bear's coming around the outside. The Beezer drops first. There goes Sea Turtle. Oh, the Firefighter went to last place. Here we come to the winding road. Here they come. My goodness, the old man's out in front, followed by Polar Bear, then Sea Turtle. Here comes the Beezer, the Dream, and Firefighter. Here we go on the rock wall. Here comes the old man and Polar Bear. Whoa, followed close by Sea Turtle, and the Firefighter just moved ahead 2 spots. Here they come. Boy, it's a close pack here. Sea Turtle's out in front of Firefighter. And looks like Polar Bear got held up there a little bit. Sea Turtle right there in front, Firefighter. And there goes Sea Turtle, there goes Firefighter. The Beezer and the Dream. Here comes the finish line. Whoa, looks like some people are getting held up. Here comes Polar Bear. What? Sea Turtle runs around in front. There comes the Beezer. And the old man. Look at that, folks. It's hard to believe, but the old man, the Beezer, and Sea Turtle will take on the Rock, Sabertooth, and the Prince in the featured race. And here we go. Looks like the Prince out to the early lead with the Beezer right behind him, and then Sea Turtle. Whoa, it looks like the Rock got held up there. Here we go on the moguls. There comes Prince, Sea Turtle right behind him. There comes the Beezer. And the old man's taking the inside route, along with Sabertooth. It's going to be Sabertooth and the old man, and here comes Rock. Last one to drop to the winding road. Here comes the Prince, zooming right ahead, and Sea Turtle. And there comes Sabertooth, but wait, looks like the Beezer got ahead of him, and so did the old man. Up, here comes the Rock. For some reason, having trouble on the track today. Dropping to the rock wall. Here comes the Prince. And the Sea Turtle. Whoa, it looks like the Beezer jumped up there into second place. Whoa, Sea Turtle's still hanging in there. And so is Sabertooth. I think the Beezer is going to move into the lead here for the final run, and does. Followed by Sea Turtle, then Sabertooth. And here comes the Rock for the final run. Here comes the Beezer, the Prince, and the Old Man. It looks like the Beezer's going to take it. And the Prince went around the corner to take second place. And who's in third? That's the Old Man. Holy Toledo, look at that. In first place today is the Beezer. Second place, the Prince. Third place, the Old Man. Stick around for an accident from last week and information on the track. During a test run last week, tidal wave smashed one of the skiers. Did you see that? Let's zoom in a little bit. Whack! And then 8-Ball takes another shot at him. Here it is, even closer. That's tidal wave. And then 8-Ball comes on and gives him another whack. White Tiger takes a look, but then slowly rolls away. The medical staff seem to be frozen in their seats. In another event, a child was seen sitting on the wall of the winding road. Look at that. That is so dangerous. Alright, it's time for the Diorama talk. Let's look at the mogul run and how it was made. It's foam clay, dries in 24 hours. Real easy to work with. Squishy. I made a little just testing pieces and then dried it. And it's still, it's flexible. Even though it's flexible, it's going to work really great for what I'm doing here. This is one of my test pieces. I used this bowl to make this. Let's just put that over that and formed it. Now what I'll do is when I put it on my blank 2 foot by 4 foot piece here, I'll squish the edges in with more clay, and that'll really stick it to the wood. So I'm just going to make a bunch of blanks, small ones and medium-sized moguls. Right now I'm just going to pull out some clay and form it over a few of these to make a few moguls, and then later on decide where they're going to sit. Grab a hunk of it off of there. It's nice as you can do it with your bare hands. It doesn't really stick. I think if you get it wet, real wet, it will. And we're just going to take and press this thing down. Squeezing out a piece like that. Then we're going to make the mogul. There we go. Something more like that, maybe. Alright, we have our first set of moguls. We want to make sure that wherever we put this, when we snap her down, that it doesn't have any high ridges where a marble could get stuck. Okay, we have the moguls in place. Fixing some things, sanding some things once it dries. And then we'll paint it. Alright, the mogul run is drying. When it's dry, we'll do our final painting. Turn white. Put a couple coats on it. And see, now I want to add some stuff called snow tex. It looks like snow when it dries. I like using my finger in this. I've used it before. Snow to interfere with the roller, so I'm basically putting it more on the back side. I had to cut up a credit card, an old credit card, to make the skis. And then I used a lighter, and I kind of bent the little plastic guys so they all where it had different, arm positions and foot positions. Okay, I think I want to put a couple little trees here or there. They say I use this little drill, just enough to make a pilot for the trees. The other thing I got to do is put them at a slight angle. Okay, so we added a couple of trees. Now we got to make it look like winter. So we'll use a snow tex again. and just kind of put some snow in the trees. Got some snow in the trees.